Boxer box number 5. There's your types up there. Colorless, Darkness, Colorless for Team Butterfield, Darkness for Stan, Electric Merv, Fighting Kendrick, Fire Fun, Grass Team Butterfield, Metal John P, Psychic G, Trainers Kinga, and Water J.H. Martin. Good luck. Buena suerte. Before you go to sleep. It's only 11 o'clock where you're at. Yeah, come on now. See, look, this one has the packs upside down. Why? Why aren't they the right way? I can if you guys want. Yeah, for sure. I've got Drillbur for Fighting and Orbeetle for Grass. Grass is Team Butterfield. Mighty Yenna for Dark. Flare on Fire. Charmander, Fire. Jolteon, Electric. Another white back here. Hitmontop, Fighting. Xerneas, Psychic. Ooh, another white one. Nope. Metagross, Metal. And Deontay, Psychic. Yep. 2020 Pokemon Vivid Voltage. Exploud, Colorless. Manectric, Electric. We got Zapdos, Electric, and Pikachu! Yeah, we get a lot more Pikachus in this. There's a lot more Pikachus in this case than there were in the first case. Oh. Different palette. We ain't got the fatty, though. And we got the fat. I wouldn't call it fat. That's a little too much. Body shame in there. Trubbish, Dark. Lycanroc, Fighting. I don't want to body shame Pikachu, calling him fat now. Nuzleaf for Grass. Colossal, Photo Variation. First time we get this Colossal. Fighting Lens, Kendrick. She dick. Dick. More. Clefairy, Psychic, Toucannon, Colorless. Chimecho, Psychic, Shedinja, Psychic. Drone Rodham, Trainer, Zeraora, Electric, Zeraora. What's up, Tia? Stone Energy, Fighting, Manectric, Electric. Oshawott, Water. Shiftry, Grass. Metang, Metal. Garbodor, Dark. I am not sure, is there? I don't get none of that stuff. Terrakion, Fighting, and Oranguru. Colorless, that is Team Butterfield. This is actually what Team Butterfield does look like. Donphan fighting. Clefable Psychic. Zacian for Psychic. That is cheap. Electric. Ay. Just messing with you, Walter. Nice! For Electric, we got Raikou. It's Merv, 7676. Yeah, he looks like Sableye. Yanmega. If I see Sableye, I'll show you which one he is. Slugma, Fire, Donphan, Fighting. Vaporeon, Water. Hirachi, Metal. Uh-oh. Screw that up. I screwed the pooch. Who's got Metal? Zombie. Hirachi. Lucario Metal. Oh no, man. That's 2 cases in a row. No rainbow. Tailo, colorless. Duraludon Metal. Pinkerton, Electric. Ninjask Grass. Kakuna Grass and Togekiss VMAX for colorless. Dynamo Electric Tornadus colorless. Hey, we did get 1 VMAX. B Trainer Crocodile Dark. Preston missed this. Look, he's back. Metang Metal. Zarude Grass. Can't sleep. Why did you sleep so early, man? It's only, you know what I'm saying, a little while ago. It's only 11 on your side of town. Nope. Whalmer, Water, Wailord. Water. This guy turns into that guy. Can you believe that? Look. Gotcha. Leon Trainer, Electros, Scoop. Oh, one more. Dusclops Psychic and Colossal Fighting. Ask the guy that got $400 for it why he got $400 for it. Puchenya Dark, Alchemy Psychic. Which one sold first? The 400 or the 29? Sandile. Oh, okay. Sandal Dark, Lucario Metal. What are you studying? It's going to be a trainer clearing out. Flareon Fire. And Alistair for the trainer spot. Kinga. Back-to-back trainer spots, Gary? Damn. Oh, God. Ferrothorn for Metal, Beedrill, Grass, and the last pack has nothing. Nessa que más se mueve, Nessa que se hace dando la niña. Sa, Yakuza, Yakuza, sa, Yakuza, Yakuza. Where's that Pika Pick? There's one in here that you would have laughed at, Marky. Mesa, que más aplauda. Spotted a fat Pikachu. It's the more common one, that's why. Alright, quick hit recap for box number 5. Last and final box of this 5-box random. We had Alistair, Colossal, Zarude, Togekiss, VMAX, Hirachi, Raikou, Zacian, Oranguru, Colossal V, Orbeetle, and Pikachu for Electric. And that was it. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it as always. That was a pretty nice little case.